Crimping cable is the process of connecting the end of the cable to the connector using a special tool called a crimping tool. The history of crimping cable is closely related to the development of communication and electrical technology, especially in the development of cable and network system. 1940, crimping cable became popular in the military aviation industry during World War II. Crimping connectors were used to quickly and safely connect electrical cables on aircraft without soldering. 1950, the technique began to be adopted in the Gilgivan sector, especially for telecommunication cable. Crimping tools were initially simple and manual, but over time evolved in the precision tool. 1980, with the development of computer network technology, such as Ethernet, cable crimping became a standard for connecting switch pair cable, e.g. RJ45 for LAN networks. Standardization. Organisasi such as ANSI, ISO, and IEEE began to standard for connection and cable, such as RJ11 telephone, RJ45 networking, and other types. Crimping became a key technique to ensure connector met this quality standard. Today, cable crimping is used in many development fields such as telecommunication to connect fiber optic cable or twisted pair cable, automotive industry for vehicle electrical system, computer network for network cable installation, and IT equipment. Because cable crimping is done to connect network or electrical cable with specific connector, such as RJ45 for network or other electrical connectors. This process is very important for several reasons. Make a stable connection. Crimping ensures the connection between the cable and connector is strong so data or power can flow properly without interruption. Increases reliability. Crimping connections are more resistant to vibration and motion than connections that are only manually spaced, making them more reliability for long-term use. Avoid connection error. With the correct order of crimping, especially on network cable, strike, through, or covers, you avoid problem in data transfer.
Cable crimping has several advantages over other cable splitting methods such as soldering or using screw connector. Here are some of the advantages. Connection strike. Crimping creates a strong and durable connection because the pressure generated makes the wires and connector physically hook together, reducing the risk of them becoming lost or breaking. Electrical reliability. Crimping joint products stable and consistent electrical contact, which reduces resistance and increases the efficiency of electrical flow. Fast and efficient process. Crimping is a quick and easy method to perform, especially if using an automatic or semi-automatic crimping tool to saving time in cable installation. Consistency and repetition crimping allow for consistent and uniform pressure in each joint, which is difficult to achieve with other methods such as soldering. Crimping the network cable requires the correct tool and step for successful connection. Here are the steps. Tool and material: UTP cable, RJ45 connector, crimping tool, cable stripper or cable cutting tool. LAN tester. Step: cable preparation. Cut the UTP cable to the required length using a crimping tool. Then use a cable stripper to strip the outer layer of the cable. Arrange the cable color. Spread the 8 small cable inside, straighten them, and arrange them according to the standard color sequence. Color sequence: with orange, with green, blue, with blue, green, with brown. Use the same standard at both ends of the cable. Cut flat. Cut the cable end so that all small cable are flat, leave about of the outer layer. Insert into RJ45 connector. Insert the small cable into RJ45 connector with the gold pins matching up. Make sure that each cable goes into its line in the right order. Crimping process. Insert the RJ45 connector into the crimping tool. Press the crimping tool firmly to make sure the pins inside the connector press the small bars well. Test connection. Use a LAN tester to ensure a successful connection. If the indicator light do not light up in order, check the cable and connector.